Hi everyone, my name is Sim Singh and I'm an IB alumni from Bedford Road Collegiate class of 2015, and I'm currently doing my degree in medicine at the University of Saskatchewan. I remember being in your shoes as grade 9, grade 10 student in high school, and I just felt like I wasn't challenged enough. I felt that there's a big gap between high school and university, and I was kind of scared of how I would kind of bridge that gap, and that's why I chose IB. And 6 years after I've graduated, I still have no regrets. I really enjoyed the learning environment. We really moved as a team. We took so many classes together, and that gave us time to bond and really make great memories. Um, the teachers were fantastic. It can be difficult in society to find respect as a 16, 17-year-old, but um, teachers are all about, at Bedford, are all about motivating you and getting the best out of you. And that's truly one of the reasons why I was able to um, do well in IB. Um, I thought that my favorite part of IB would be just the depth of knowledge, the fact that we learn more about biochem and physics and all those things than other high school students, and it's true. But what I was more impressed and positively surprised by was the fact that just how broad the knowledge was. It wasn't just about learning the dates, let's say the date at which Hitler attacked Germany or Hitler attacked England. It was more about why. It's more about looking at his policies and looking about why things happen. So I think it gives that whole holistic dimension to education that's really important. And when you take things like creativity, action, service, it really pushes you out of your comfort zone. It pushed me to go try different sports that I hadn't, to go volunteer in places that I wouldn't. And what that did as a 16, 17-year-old is you volunteer and you build respect for yourself in the community. You build a place in society for yourself, and it's a good feeling when you do things for others without expecting anything in return. I thought I would walk away from IB with a lot of knowledge, and I did. But I think what more tested it sustained the test of time was the skill set that I developed. So things like time management. IB throws a lot of assignments at you, and learning to compartmentalize things and being efficient is critical for success. It tests your character because IB truly will be one of the hardest things you've ever done, and um, coming out of it, you'll be a more confident person and confident in your abilities to tackle almost any challenges that you can have in life. It's a lot about teamwork, how to work in a team, and how to manage conflicts and conflict resolutions and things. And lastly, about critical thinking. Like I said, it's not just about learning things just for memorization, but applicability and such. And those really are four things that we as a society are not looking to. We're not looking for the smartest person, but we're looking for someone who can, who's a critical thinker, teamwork, and can manage time well and has a good character. And if you look at some of the people who've graduated from our school, Kazim Haider, who's a biomedical engineer with his own patent, Joel and Dipanshu, who are medical students, Amy Kwan, who's a computer whiz at IBM, which is the number one sort of computer science program. It makes you proud. It's a testament to the sort of program that IB at Bedford is, and makes you proud that you graduated from it. So I wish you guys all the best. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can ask Miss Bugles for my contact information, but I would highly encourage that you consider IB for your education.